Audi's first production car at the 2025 Shanghai Auto Show. E5 Sportback. This car, which was officially launched worldwide, does not have 4 circles, only Audi. Audi cars are a new brand jointly created by SAIC and Audi. Audi E5 Sportback is a pure electric vehicle. Its overall design largely continues the design of the previous concept car. Its shape is quite simple, and the front face is relatively upright. It does not have the hexagonal grille found in previous Audi models. The design is completely closed, a brand new design language. The roof is equipped with laser radar and binocular cameras to support the realization of high-level intelligent driving functions. The intelligent driving feature of this car is developed in cooperation with Huawei. This vehicle is a mid-size car with a sportback fastback roof and a shooting brake style in general. As the brand's first car, it has tried a relatively niche body style that can be considered quite bold. The length of the vehicle is 4,870 mm. Its width is 1990 mm. Its height is 1,460 mm. And its wheelbase is 2,950 mm. It is expected that there will be a horizontal ultra-wide LCD screen on the center console of the vehicle, while the interior cabin style is expected to continue the current digital layout concept applied by the brand for new energy vehicles. As for the power system, the new car uses a dual-motor 4-wheel drive system that provides a maximum output power of 765 kilowatts and reaches a speed of 0 to 100 kilometers in 3.6 seconds. There is a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack in the battery section, and the vehicle's cruising range is 700 kilometers according to the CLTC standard. The vehicle, built on an 800V high-voltage platform, supports rapid energy supply and can provide 300 kilometers of energy supply in a short time of 10 minutes. As for the chassis system, the Audi E5 Sportback will be equipped with a progressive steering system, 4-wheel steering technology and air suspension that will increase the dynamic performance of the vehicle in terms of road holding and comfort.